Since I've been too young, that lean, baby girl, I've been popping and I've been rolling. Since I was 17, I've been geeking on that water. I want you, I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want you, I want your number. I'll call you back if that head right, baby. I won't love you. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, y'all, so I have a different kind of video today. So we are going to be doing a Valentine's Day slay. I will be actually doing my makeup as it is now, as well as reviewing this beautiful Outre Neesha unit as well. Now, I know it's been a long time since I've done a makeup video, but I wanted to get the whole slay together, okay? And as I said before, the hair that I'm reviewing is OG Outre's Neesha. So this is the OG Neesha in the color 1B. Now, I know you know all the hype that has gone on with these Outre Neesha units since Outre has revamped this OG Neesha into 3 more new Neeshas. So let's just go ahead and dive into the video. But before we do, if you are new here, welcome. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. And if you are returning, thank you so much for your continued support. I truly, truly do appreciate you. And I hope you continue to come back. That is for the new and the old. Alright, so y'all know I'm on a mission. I'm on a goal to reach this 1K. And I'm trying to get there by March. And we are already here in February. So, all support is welcome. Again, I thank you. I appreciate you. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so for today's Valentine's Day slay, I wanted to use only one eyeshadow palette. And that is the infamous Watch Me Blush palette by the Crayon collection. Alright, so as you can see, my eyebrows are already done because we'd be here forever if I did them on camera. Now, y'all know I don't have any eyebrows, so I have to create something out of nothing. So if you want to see an updated, because I have updated the way I do my brows. If you want to see an updated brow tutorial, just let me know in the comments below and I will make that happen. This is different for me, y'all, because I normally record at night, so I'm already, like, full of energy, but it's, like, early in the morning. So I got my good coffee. Yeah. Let's get into it, y'all. Let's do this. Alright, y'all, so I'm starting with this tangerine as my transition color. And I am placing this right above my crease area. Next, I'm going in with this cranberry color and I'm putting that right into my crease. I'm going to deepen this crease area using this berries color, focusing on my outer V and right above or underneath that red color that I used before. And then I just kind of like to go back over with the previous colors that I used just to make sure I haven't lost any color. Now I'm just gonna blend for the gods so that everything transitions smoothly. I'm gonna do a cut crease using the original P. Louise base. I have really stubborn eyelids, so I have to pat mine on. I see a lot of people gliding theirs on, but that never seems to work for me. So I just continue with this patting motion. So for this video, and just to save time, I'll only be showing me work on one eye. Okay, so now I'm going to place this strawberry cream all over my eyelid where I cut the crease. I'm going back in to blend that berries color with my eyelid color. So for my winged liner, I have been using this NYX matte liquid eyeliner for quite some time now, and I absolutely love this one. And the lashes I'm going to be using are by Boldface in the style Lash Goals. So I'm going to try to quickly finish the rest of my face. I won't talk about all of the products for this process, but I will list all of the products that I'm using down in the description box below. Since I've been too young, that lean baby girl. I've been popping and I've been rolling. Since I was 17, I've been geeking on that water. I want you, nah. I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want you, nah. Can't take my, want your number. I'll call you back if that head right, baby. I won't love you, I can't love you unless that pussy got some superpowers. I want you, I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want you, woke up in the kitchen, say that I did this shit up and okay, baby. Alright everybody, I am back with my final look. I have finally completed a Valentine's Day slay. But let's get into Miss Neesha. As we all know, Neesha has been running rampant since the end of 2019, but I decided to go back to the original Neesha for this Valentine's Day slay. Now, I have never tried any of the Neeshas, although I have them all. I just have not gotten around to. I'll get there. Yeah, I'll get there. I know you've all heard of all the hype of these Neeshas, so that's why I was like, you know what? I'm going to tap into Miss Neesha, OG Neesha, because I have seen some reviews on the OG Neesha, and I actually liked her, so I was like, let me go ahead and try her. Now, I will say, OG Neesha is full of density. Like, Miss Neesha is huge and hot, might I add. So if you like a lot of density, she's the wig for you. If not, you might want to go with the new revamped Neesha of the longer version, which I think is 203. Yeah, that's a little lighter, so I've heard. I still haven't tried it myself, but that's what I heard. As you did see in the video, I decided to take a page out of Miss Gladys's book, Is That Your Hair? And try to cut out some of this hair because it was quite poofy up top. So now I feel like I got that down quite a bit, as well as going in with my hot comb. But I enjoy the fullness of all this natural texture here. I love this. I think it is gorgeous, and I think it is a perfect V-Day slay. Now, I also thought Miss Neesha's parting space was a little tight. So I did go in and pull some hair out of the parting space, and then I just also followed up with some foundation powder. I did not glue Miss Neesha down. As you saw, I went in with my old faithful bobby pin method because it's so much hair laying and it's not really up. You know, if the hair ain't up for me, yeah, I don't feel like I need to glue it down all the time. Sometimes, not all the time. And in this particular case, I didn't feel like it was necessary to glue it down at all. I did add a couple of baby hairs. It does not come with baby hairs, but I just added my own just cause, you know, sometimes I'm a little extra. You know, we all are, right? At some point. Alright, so on to this cap, y'all. This cap is a little tight. Actually, it's very tight because my head is small to medium, measuring at 21.5 inches, and this baby barely came down ear to ear. And as soon as I put it on my head, my first thought was, oh my god, this is tight. So, whew, this hair is super soft, y'all. Not a whole lot of tangling whatsoever, and not a whole lot of, well, it is a little bit of shedding, but that could be from all the cutting I went in here doing, so I'll blame myself. I won't blame Outre. I love how the curls are like swooped away from the face. I just think that is just so sexy and pretty. I'm ready, y'all. I am V-Day ready. Are you ready for Valentine's Day? Alright, y'all, so I did purchase this wig from wigtypes.com, and she retails at $25.79. That, of course, is for the natural color that I have, but if you want an unnatural color, it will be an additional $2. Alright, y'all, so I thank you all for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this from me, just let me know in the comments down below. I don't do a whole lot of videos where I'm doing makeup tutorials or anything like that, just because it kind of takes so long. But if it's something that you actually want to see, I will definitely cater to what you guys want to see. So let me know and I will make it happen. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Make sure you thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Go ahead and share this video with your friends and family so they can get some Valentine's Day ideas as well. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all. I've been sipping since I've been too young, that lean baby girl. I've been popping and I've been rolling. Since I was 17, I've been geeking on that water. I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want I want your number. I'll call you back if that head right, baby. I won't love you, I can't love you unless that pussy got some superpowers. I want